Hey there YouTube, it's me, Gotfish10, and right now there's gonna be a video on feeding my fish, and I don't think I mentioned this in my last video, well, 2 videos ago when I got my platies. The guy accidentally actually gave me a snail, so I'm kind of excited about that. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna show you guys what I'm feeding everything. So this one. Okay, so here we go. So we just put the tropical granules in. Now we're gonna put in flake food, all mashed up. Here's the baby guppies. So yeah. And then next we're gonna be coming over to the 2 gallon tank. So, so yeah, right now we're gonna be first. I'm gonna feed my 2 mama guppies, and then let's feed all these guys. As you can see, many fish come. Even my koi catfish, he likes it. So yeah, just enjoy. Sorry about the glare, by the way. Okay, so yeah, sorry about that. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to show you guys that. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.